to robbing wheelies, man, I feel just like a rock star. All my brothers got that gas and they don't man, I smell me like a rock star.
Welcome back, modifiers, to another episode of the BMW 2002 Touring Restoration Project. Today we're going to be looking at some of the hard parts, suspension, subframe, all that jazz, because I need to get it painted. So I'm going to flick it in a nice 2K black. Should be fairly strong and sort of live up to the pressures of living underneath the car. So the first thing was cleaning up the subframe, because it was just absolutely covered in oil and muck. Now, it was really thick. It was scraping off like thick, and it's everywhere. The good thing is, it actually protected the subframe, and the whole underside of the car was also the same. It was just covered in this gunk. A lot of the rust would have been a lot worse if the car wasn't covered like it was with all the oil under the car. So it's kind of a savior, but when it comes to cleaning, it takes quite a while. So I've got the subframe here in the vise because I'm just popping out the bushes. But yeah, it's probably taken a few hours just to get it to this point. It's still not perfectly clean, so bit of a downside, but the upside is the subframe's absolutely mint. So let's go ahead and pull this bush out when you got the right tools. So much easier. Got the bush removal tool here. No burning stuff, no stressing and banging on stuff. Let's go check out how easy it is with the right tools. There you go, nice and easy, no stress, bush is out. So I've already gone through quite a few cleaning processes with this. The first one was scraping all the gunk off, and I literally got like a carrier bag full of junk off this thing. The next was to sit it in here and just basically coat it in as much degreaser, brake cleaner and stuff as I could to get all the rest of it off. And I hosed it. Now it's dry, we're back here, so it's fairly clean. I'm just gonna go around and see where it's not, where I might have to get on it and clean it.
All right, let's get to painting. looking good. Now I just got to clean up. The amount of overspray on the floor is crazy. Yeah.
I'm pretty happy with how these came out. There's like welding spatters and stuff on them from when they were originally made. They're not perfect. Could have spent hours and tidying it all up, but to be honest with you, it's going to be a road car. It's going to be driven, so it's not going to be a show car. But no, I'm pretty happy with how it came out. The paint's gone nice and hard already. It's 2K, so it goes pretty solid pretty quick. And it's done some pretty good coverage. My spray gun was not performing the best, so I used an old cheapy one that I've got. And next time, I think I'm going to use my new gun, which is a much better gun. Hopefully it comes out a little bit better. But otherwise, I'm quite happy that they're coated. They look good. They're all nice and black now, and clean, and ready to take some new bushes and bits and pieces, and we can start putting things back together. But yeah, so look at that, it's tidy as. Looking good. On to the next thing.